Today I'm going to show you how to change the alternator in this Toyota Camry 2.2 liter engine. The first thing you want to do is disconnect the negative battery cable. Now remove the cover to the battery connector to the alternator. With a 10 millimeter, remove the nut. Just reinstall the nut back on there so you don't misplace it. Then disconnect the cable. Just remove the dust shield. Press the release tab and remove the cable. And set it out of the way. Using an 8 millimeter, remove the nut for the bracket. And set the whole cable harness out to the side. And reinstall the nut back on the alternator so you don't misplace it for now. Next, with a 14 millimeter, you want to loosen this bolt for the alternator. Next, with a 12 millimeter, loosen the bolt for the adjuster. Now with a 12 millimeter, turn this bolt counterclockwise till the belt is loose. Once you get it loose enough where you can remove the belt, just remove the belt. Next, remove the bolt completely for the bracket for the adjuster. And then remove this bolt. Once you get the bolts removed, grab the alternator, pull it out of the way. You might have to pry it a little bit in there if you can work it out. Now to install the alternator, set it in place. And install the bolt. Just snug it down, but do not tighten it. Next, install the adjusted bracket bolt. The bracket, you want it on this side. Same thing, snug it but do not over tie it. You want to be able to adjust the alternator. Next, install the belt. Just make sure the belt's aligned on the crankshaft, the air condition, and the alternator pulley grooves. Once the belt is on, turn the bolt clockwise to tighten the belt. Now when you tighten the belt, you don't want to over tighten. You don't want to put too much tension on the bearing for the alternator and the air conditioner and the crankshaft. If everything is good, tighten the bolts. Next, we install the harness. We install with the bracket. Plug in the connector. Install the dust boot for the connector. Now install the battery cable to the alternator. Tighten the nut, but do not over tighten it. Just verify that the plug is in, connected, belt is tight. If everything is good, reinstall the alternator battery cable cap. Connect the negative battery cable. And that's how you change the alternator.